we are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing food names and drinks names as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Now this is the preparation of syrup of French origin. So originally in French it is said as orgeat, orgeat with a silent T. But in English the T is usually said as orgeat, orgeat. So with a T pronounced, orgeat. But what you can do to sound kind of both French but a little bit English pronunciation as well is not insist on the T all that much and say orgeat, orgeat, and you don't pronounce the T very much, so it sounds both French and English. I mean, that's a way of saying it. So you can say orgeat, that would be the proper French way. You can say orgeat with a clear T, or in between orgeat. And now you know. Hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments. Videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of drinks and other food names, including from French, that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.